Hey folks, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's May 1st. I can't let this lettuce take any more chances on it bolting. I gotta get this stuff out of here. Look at that. There's a really big one up there. Wow. Well, that's enough for right now. Now that's some lettuce. Unbelievable. Early May, getting into the 80s. This stuff will be bolting pretty soon. But it's down here where it stays shaded most of the day, so it's a little cooler. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Lawrenceville, Georgia. Still getting some primo lettuce.